Good morning everyone. My name is Lokesh. I am from CSM AI&ML department. Today I would like to came to here explore how to natural language processing application in Jupyter Notepad, so that how language processing applications has been implemented in the AI chatbot or any kind of other applications. So let's go through with that basic programming installation and how the program has been executed in the Jupyter Notepad. So just Google it, Anaconda Navigator download. The results will be appear like this. See, in this anaconda.com we can select it. Why? Because it is a pre-defined software. From this official website only we can download. See here the download now button has been shown. From this, there we can identify download mini Anaconda installer. See, if you click on this button, it will be redirected to Anaconda distribution and mini Anaconda. See, from this Anaconda distribution only why you have to choose. In this 8000 libraries are available for the free resources. So that Jupyter Notebook is very user friendly to inculcate Python libraries or any kind of natural language toolkits are available in this Jupyter Notebook. So here we have to identify 64-bit or 32-bit architecture we are following. So in this system we are following Windows 64-bit architecture. So that I have selected Windows 64-bit graphic installer. So after installation we can identify it in the download file menu. See there we can identify Anaconda. See like this we can identify Anaconda Navigator executable file. So from this we can installation. After installation we will identify the palette of Anaconda Navigator window. In this we have to select Jupyter Notebook. So after clicking on the launch button we can check that Jupyter Notebook here. So like this Jupyter Notebook will be appear. In that already I have applied natural language demo. So we will go through with that natural language processing demo. So this is the sample program. So there I have taken that print length, and the print length of the statement, what are the statement we can give, and in that program the length of the characters, and it will be the length of the sorting order, and also the d equal to x plus s also it is compile the program, what are the length of the statement we can take. So in this print length, welcome to MRCE, welcome to third year BTech AI&ML, I am taking the sample statement. See after that why I have taken the S is here. See here we have training the sample statements so that it is easy to identify. So taking the sample S as object, and in that object we have stored the entire statement as the Python prerequisites. See this is entire part will be called it as a cell, and in that cell to run the program this is the part to run the program. So in that print of the length I have taken directly, it is the whatever the S has been containing that, in that S the given the length as given the 48. So the first statement output is the 48, and again x equal to sorted of S. See why? Because we have to sort it out. See in the statement to kind of any kind of words we have to search it, like the dictionary how it has been worked, so that we have taken the sorting order. So after that print of S and print of X. So x equal to given that value, welcome to MRCE. See this is the previous output statement. Again I will run this program. To run this program in the Jupyter Notebook, just simply click on this play button. See this is the play button. There we can identify what are the output has been given that. See welcome to, see the S equal to welcome to MRCE, let's grace the AI&ML. So that the output has been given that welcome to MRCE, let's grace the AI&ML. In the second statement, so from the sorting, after sorting we can observe from the A to the words has been started. So AI&ML grace let's MRCE the to welcome. So this is the sorting order which I have given the training over the previous statement. So that is the basic program execution. Thank you.